Use a pry clip to pry the small speaker. Unplug the speaker cable connector. Use a flat blade screwdriver to pry gaps in the red decorative cover. Use a pry clip to pry the red decorative cover. There is a T30 screw inside. Use a T30 screwdriver to unscrew the screw. Please also unscrew the middle screw. Please also unscrew the screw near the armrest. After unscrewing the 3 screws, use a pry clip to pry off the edge of the door panel. After the door panel is loose, lift the door panel up. The door panel is not removed. Unplug all cable connectors behind the door panel. It is easier to remove the cable connectors with the help of a flat screwdriver. All cable connectors have been removed. Use the clip to pry the 3 buckles holding the door glass. Lift up and remove the door's rubber strip. Pull up and remove the other side rubber strip. Mark the edge of the glass, convenient for positioning when installing glass. Just like this. Also mark the glass on the other side. Take out the 2 rubber plugs of the glass. Use a 10mm socket to remove the screws fixing the glass on the outside. Take out the screws on the outside side. This screw close to the car's body. Just loosen it, no need to take it off. But the 2 screws on the back door need to be all removed. Use a flat blade screwdriver to loosen the buckles and solid glue that secure the outer glass. Loosen the buckle and solid glue of the glass on the other side. Loosen the buckle and solid glue near the inside. Take out the glass. Take out the 2 small rubber plugs of the trim panel. Use a 10mm socket to remove these 2 screws. Use an 8mm socket to remove these 12 screws. Unplug all the cable connectors on the trim panel. Take out the trim panel. Take out these 2 rubber plugs. Unplug the cable connector of door handle. You can use a flat blade screwdriver to help pull out the cable connector. Use a 10mm socket to remove the 3 screws holding the door handle. Take out the original door handle. Use a cross screwdriver to remove the center original door handle. Place the gasket provided with the product under the center. Place the original sensor on the gasket and fix it with screws. Install the electric door handle from the inside of the door panel. Before tightening the screws, please pay attention to whether the outside is aligned. Tighten the 3 screws that secure the door handle. Use a flat screwdriver to remove the door lock cable connector. 2 adapter cables plug into each other. Secure the wiring harness with zip ties. The door handle of the left front door has been successfully installed. Install other doors in the same way. Finding power battery. Remove the front trim panel. Use a 10mm socket to remove the 4 screws securing the front box. Remove the front lighting panel. Unplug the light cable connector. Use a flat blade screwdriver to remove the buckles that secure the box. Take out the front storage box. Use a 10mm socket to remove the 2 screws holding the interior panel. Remove the interior panel. This is where the 12 volts plus power is taken. Finding CAN connector. Use a pry clip to pry the left front door panel rubber strip. Take out the inner rubber plug. Fold the foot pads inward slightly. The blue plug is CAN connector. Unplug the soft plug between the interior and the front trunk by hand. Use tape to bind the power cable of control box and tie together. Pull out the tie with the power cable of control box. Route the cables along the edge of the front trunk. Pull off the red cover of 12 volts plus. Use a 10mm socket to loosen the 12 volts plus fixing screws. Insert the red 12 volts plus wire here and fix it. Insert the black G and D wire here and fix it. Connect the power cable to the control box. Connect the power cable to the control box. Place the control box at the original car CAN interface. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth and find Tesla Shan. Enter password 888,888 pair. Restore installation. Close the 12 volts plus power supply cover. Put the interior panel back in place and secure it with 2 screws. Put the front back into place and plug in the light cable and fix for screws. Insert the rubber plug of the interior panel. Press the trim panel to return it to place. Put the door rubber strip back. Don't forget insert the rubber plug. Secure the door trim panel with 12 screws and return it to place. Return the glass to the mark made before disassembly. This makes it easier to debug the glass. After fixing the glass, you can use the screws to debug it. Make sure the glass does not interfere with closing the car door. Put the outer rubber strip of the glass back into place. Put the inner rubber strip of the glass back into place. Insert the 3 rubber plug. Plug in all cable connectors on the door trim panel. Put all the rubber plugs in place according to the holes. Plug all the plugs on the door panel into each other, and route the wires along the original positions. Be careful to reserve the speaker wire facing outwards. Press the door panel to lock it in place. Connect the speaker cable and secure it. Fix the 3 screws on the door panel. Put on the small red cover.